What's up, everybody? I thought I'd just do a live update video here. Taking a little walk, getting some exercise, and I'm going to talk about the S&P and gold. So basically what I've been seeing here with these markets is the Fed has been pulling back for whatever reason. I don't know why they're pulling back, but they are. And in just a couple of weeks, this market has made a big U-turn. So unfortunately, we've been on the right side of this now. The Fed juice went into a sell on September the 11th. And yeah, so we still have this downside going on. We also have the Astro that is going very negative this week, also through the rest of the month. So again, I expect the S&P to continue to come under selling pressure. So we've had some pretty good calls on the downside so far. It's very rare to get these type of opportunities on the S&P, but we actually do have an opportunity now because the Fed juice is lined up, like I said, with that planetary speed index and the other Astro going into a sell. So yeah, so S&P is definitely having some trouble, and for whatever reason the Fed is pulling back. I don't know why. The metals, gold and silver, this is not a big surprise. We've been talking about gold and silver being in this sell pattern now for many weeks, and it's finally just manifesting. So one of the things about the Fed juice is that when it looks like something's in a range and it's not breaking out and it's just kind of going sideways, that typically it will break in the direction of the Fed juice. So we saw this with gold and silver. They've both been in these heavy sells, and finally they broke. And we're also in this downward seasonal pattern too on gold and silver. So when you combine that stuff with the Fed juice, you get down moving markets. So you know, there could still be a lot more downside on this gold and silver. I know a lot of people are in shock because they feel that gold and silver should be these safe haven vehicles. But again, one of the things I always say is that I don't look at these as necessarily like a gold bug, or the gold is the end all be all. Just that you know, these are just commodities to trade. So every commodity is vulnerable, just like the next in the right time period. So yeah, so the metals, so gold and silver, you know, they're still headed lower. One of the big drivers here is the dollar. So the dollar has been bottoming here. So we've had the dollar in a buy now for a while too. So the dollar is really at the center of the universe here, guys, because everything that's priced in dollars goes the inverse direction of the dollar. So if that dollar is really bottoming and going up and continues to go up, then the metals are going to really suffer, as are the currencies. The euro in particular is going to have a lot of problems because it is pegged. It's automatically pegged to the dollar inverse, like it's pegged, so it has to go the opposite direction. So that's like a fixed mathematical relationship. It's always true. I mean, other currencies can suffer too, like the British pound, but you saw today that the British pound didn't go down as much as the euro, but they all tend to suffer, and then the metals tend to suffer too. So, and the S&P is going to suffer too if the dollar continues to rally. So if this Fed continues to act weak like this, then the dollar is going to continue to strengthen. So I don't know what else to say about that. The only thing I can say is that we are tracking this stuff, and I feel like we've been on the right side of these trades. That top, when it first made that top, it was a little bit rough on the S&P, just because it kind of dropped out of the sky. But now I think we're adjusted now to this new downtrend, and this could continue through the rest of the month. Like I said, it could continue through October. It really just depends. But I think we're gonna, like I said, if we do get some type of a big move down, we're definitely gonna see it, and we're gonna track it. So just stay tuned to WolfTrader Futures for more updates. And of course, I post these updates daily in the members area. So if you're an S&P member, metals, energy, currencies, cryptocurrencies, all of these updates are posted daily, right around 2 o'clock, between 1 and 2 o'clock. You'll be able to check them out. So that's all I got for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Peace out.